Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to find out the sales area of any iPhone device, guys, or sales zone of any iPhone device. So if your iPhone is unlocked completely, then of course tap in a setting to a general to, of course we will come in about to, of course we can find out there model numbers especially and model especially name serial number. By that serial number also this can be the possible, and by a model number last one before slash 2 digit, that is a array. Yes, according to your especially device you can follow all the instructions that what's the model number, and by that before slash what is that ZA means of course so that we can find out that here, or A is a coming last one. The last one is A maybe especially coming from especially that, but almost most probably this code will be a last 2 digit of this before slash. So ZA, how can I find out that what's the country it was a purchase? So we will come in especially the iPhone's model number country code especially on Apple discussion, and here is especially country code is located and especially given here. So see, this is a Zare is from the Singapore, and if you are creating the precise location of especially this device or by that especially on especially any tools or driver with the help of PC or laptop you would like to unlock, so that you will have to give especially the configuration, good configuration by creating the precise location of your sales area of a device. So here this is a especially ZA is especially basically from the especially Hong Kong. No, Hong Kong not especially, this is from the Singapore. We can see here, let me highlight this ones. If you are unable to find out this kind of the things here, and then of course directly you can go for an administration, that is a 3U tool, and 3U tool connected data cable, and here is a sales area. This one we can see sales area. So it's saying that sales area there Hong Kong, Macau and Singapore, this can be Malaysia also. So sometimes by creating the precise location of especially Singapore, if you are unable to having the especially batch activation or good especially deactivation option of this device, you are unable to execute, then you can use here Hong Kong and especially Macau. So it will give you 2-3 country link of that. By that, to have the good configuration by virtue of especially 3U tool, if you are unlocking, or yes, by the console method, manual method with the help of computer you are unlocking that, it's very essential to execute or create such a precise location especially on your PC or laptop, so that configuration country, purchasing country of this device and this establishing of this will be the same, so there will be no chances to have not a good configuration. So thank you. This is all about, guys. Further any information more, you can drop the query in the comment box, and the pleasure would be mine to reply your query, guys. So thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.